It's been high in the news of content creators and influencers these days. Twitch affiliate bad. Don't become an affiliate. I left Twitch affiliate for YouTube. And even I've been pretty loud on social media lately about not being a Twitch affiliate. So let's talk about why I decided to cancel my Twitch affiliate contract. Before we get into that video, a little message from our sponsor, Nerd or Die. They're currently running a promotion for the month of March with code MARCH40. You can get 40% off any video and you can get 40% off any product, including their brand new iridescent stream package, which features their most customizable package ever. This cool little sticker aesthetic, which I really dig. If I hadn't come up with my little UI if I hadn't come up with my UI assets right before this, I would have definitely been picking this one up. It's so colorful, so metallic and stickery feeling. I love this. It's super modern. If you guys want to pick that up or any other Nerd or Die stuff, go to CassieJoy.tv/nerdordie and use the code MARCH40 at checkout. This code expires on March 8th, so make sure to get your purchases in now. What's up, everybody? It's Cassie Joy here, and as of February 23rd, I am no longer a Twitch affiliate. So if you enjoy this video, consider clicking like and subscribe because it really helps me grow my other platform. There's been big talk in the industry lately, and I love to be involved with streamer Twitter. I've made several jokes lately that I'm actually a Twitter content creator above everything else. It's been a hot topic gaining traction over the last 6 months or so that Twitch affiliate is a terrible program. Not just for new streamers, but especially for streamers my size that are in between that 10 to 75 viewer marks. Devin Nash, Harris Heller, even Epos Vox have all made similar takes that the Twitch affiliate program stifles your growth as a content creator, and I tend to agree with that. The Twitch affiliate contract, by extension, their partner contract, is one of the most restrictive in the industry. Right out the gate, when you're barely getting started, they give you the promise of making money for 3 what seem like simple things, but actually detrimental to creator growth caveats. Number 1 is probably the most complained about thing from all streamers, and that's running intrusive and sometimes harmful ads on your channel when people enter it. Did you see the Amazon Union Buster ads? Yikes. While we all complain and moan about ads, it's just like the fate of the internet, right? Well, unlike YouTube and other ad platforms, Twitch gives us, the creator, no control over the ads we run on our channels, which can conflict directly with our ideals. I'm trans. I'm a very loud anti-capitalist. The Union Buster ads and the political ads that have been run on Twitch in the last year go directly against my values as a creator, and I have no control whether or not my community that I've been fostering around ideals like that see those. Not to mention Twitch's terrible, non-flexible ad CPMs. For those who don't know, it's cost per million. It's basically how much money you make per 1,000 views. Twitch's is a static $3.50 for affiliates, and I don't know if that's changed for partners. That's nothing compared to YouTube, which has a flexible CPM, where on YouTube I can earn up to $11 in CPM on certain video categories. One of the advantages of not taking the affiliate contract is, as a non-affiliate, Twitch doesn't even run ads on your channel. A lot of people will remember that was a big deal with YouTube making that change a couple months ago, where they now run ads on non-partnered channels. Second, and the one that's most important to me, quite honestly, giving up the rights to your brand. You may not think this is important when starting out, but if you're a mid-sized affiliate, you've probably spent time and money into making a look that suits you, building a personal brand that matches you and your community. I've personally spent thousands of dollars on my assets. Guess what? According to the Twitch affiliate contract, Twitch owns all of those assets, your emotes, your stream looks, all of that stuff to use in marketing and advertising without giving you a dime. How many times have you gotten a Twitch email showing off a new feature with a streamer on it, and they have not credited the streamer at all in said email? You have no idea what it is. Exposure doesn't get you growth if they don't even expose you. Twitch is basically taking your entire brand just for the privilege of being able to earn money on their platform. And that doesn't work well for me. Amazon is a multi-billion-dollar corporation, and the least they can do is compensate me for the hard work and money I've put in to investing on their platform. And quite honestly, you should feel that way too. And the third and final thing that makes leaving or not taking the Twitch affiliate contract better for you is the Twitch affiliate contract demands platform exclusivity. This is a big one for a lot of people, as it is now as of now, the Twitch contract locks you into streaming only on Twitch at a single moment in time. You can stream on other platforms like YouTube and Glimish, which you should definitely check out. I'll be over there a lot, but not at the same time. There's also a 24-hour exclusivity period on all content you made on Twitch. So if you make a really cool clip from a really cool moment and want to share that, you need to wait up to 24 hours after the live stream to post that natively on video platforms. So posting it as a embedded video post on Twitter or Instagram. You need to wait 24 hours or you violate your contract. The opinion on multi-streaming has varied over the years, from it's good to it's terrible for you, but I'm of the opinion that putting your name and face in as many places as possible can only be good for you, especially when you're a starting creator. Especially when you're just a starting creator, as it gives you more avenues of growth. The principal advice that everyone's been giving these days, it's that live streaming should be second to all the other content you make. It gives you ample opportunity to take those viewers who are watching your evergreen content on TikTok, on YouTube, Twitter, etc., to come into your live streams and become part of a community. You can funnel them to other places like Discord to further become ingrained into what you're doing. And the more places you're doing that, the better. That said, I ended my affiliate contract last month after thinking about this for a long while. This year, I'm considering myself a full-time content creator long before I'm financially stable due to the global pandemic destroying the industry in which I've had my career for the last decade. I have to spend the next however long I have getting unemployment or living off donations or living off tips and what little YouTube money I do make right now to pay my bills. And by dropping the Twitch affiliate contract, I'm one step closer to becoming financially stable. Let me explain that, because it's probably a little confusing. On average, I average about 20 to 30 non-gifted subs a month on Twitch. That equals about to $60, $70. Ad revenue doesn't even exist for small creators on Twitch. If you have less than a couple hundred viewers, you might as well never run ads. They're literally scamming you. Meanwhile, on YouTube, I'm making that same amount of sub money in ad rev on YouTube on as little as I've uploaded the last couple months. Not to mention the continued support of our YouTube members, which you can join by clicking the join button right below, which gives a higher split than Twitch's sub programs at the same tier. So if you sub to the $5 tier, I get 70% of that versus 50. And I'm taking a bet on YouTube, just continuing to grow and eventually becoming the superior live streaming platform. Evergreen content coupled with YouTube's discoverability is making YouTube more and more the superior platform because of its higher shares and the way that it treats its creators. None of this is to say I'm going to stop streaming on Twitch. As of right now, I'll be streaming to YouTube, Twitch, and a new platform, Glimish. I'm going to do a whole video on what is Glimish here in a little bit, but Glimish in summary is a brand new live streaming platform that just went into public alpha this week. In my opinion, it's got a lot of room for success. Many of you know how I was on the ground floor of Beam/Mixer when it first launched and was one of the first partners on that platform. They want to implement a TikTok-like algorithmic discovery, which I'm personally kind of excited for as someone who my biggest platform is TikTok right now. So implementing something like that into streaming can only be good for people like me who know how to do TikTok. If you're not on TikTok, you really should be. I'm getting so much growth off TikTok right now. It's insane. They want to remain entirely owned by streamers. Right now, they are entirely community funded, launching this into their closed alpha. I even spoke on their alpha launch stream and am excited to help push the platform forward. So if you're interested in zero delay streams that have no requirements to being able to monetize and supporting something that's made by a community of passionate developers and streamers, go drop me a follow over there, glimish.tv/itscassiejoy. There's a link in the video description. All in all, Twitch has attempted to monopolize and manipulate young fledgling streamers into giving up their identities for a perceived monopoly in the industry. And frankly, I don't want to support that anymore. Anyone who's followed me on Twitter for any length of time knows I'm an aggressive anti-capitalist and don't want to give more money to Bezos than I have to. This is going to help me in a step of building my own brand and taking a step towards independence and growing even bigger and better as a creator. I'm excited to have everyone who watches my YouTube videos regularly, catches streams, joins me on Twitter. to join me in all of this, because this year's been crazy already, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. What is your guys' thoughts on this? Gonna cancel your affiliate contract too? Let me know in the comments below. It helps out a ton to boost the videos algorithmically. I'm going to be real with you. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to click that like and subscribe button. Go follow me on Twitter, where I have regular, in-depth conversations about this stuff over there. And guys, I will see you in the next one. I got to stop this old guy who keeps trying to make an X-Blade or something stupid like that. That's a moon and a half.